We'll guide you through how to fix mobile data not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
It's an annoying problem when mobile data or cellular data isn't working, as you're then unable to access the internet. Hopefully to help this guide, we're going to have the issue fixed. First of all, it's worth logging into your carrier's or mobile network provider's site just to make sure you've got some data left. You may have run out. If you do though, then what you want to do is try opening your settings, go down and find mobile service, or it could be called cellular. Make sure that it's switched on, and make sure when you scroll down here, is that the app you want to go and use it on has it enabled, you can switch it on. However, if it is and it still isn't working, what you want to try doing is dragging down in the top right to open the control center. Try enabling airplane mode. This just disconnects you from connections. Turn it back off and it should reconnect. Hopefully that solves it. If it still doesn't, we're going to try doing a force restart. Press the volume increase, decrease, then tap and hold the side button. Shortly, your phone screen will go black. We're going to go and release the button when we go and see the Apple icon. Now wait for it to start. When it comes back on, hopefully it's working. If it still isn't, come back to your settings and come to General. Scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone and tap there. Press reset and you can try doing a reset of the network settings. Enter in your passcode. Hopefully this will then go and fix the problem. It will go and forget all Wi-Fi networks as well though.